y'all. So I have a temporary moment of insanity because he managed to talk me into doing a shoot on a helicopter with no doors. A doorless helicopter, y'all. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm afraid of heights. Like,
You'll be fine.
We've had times where he tried to have like a shoot with me on a bridge, and I'm like trembling in my heels, like on a bridge with just cars underneath. Not like not the Brooklyn Bridge or nothing, like just like a little overpass, and I'm bugging out on the overpass.
Well,
so imagine my feelings now. I mean, for some reason I'm not as scared as I feel like I could be, because we're not in the helicopter yet. But I'll take y'all along.
I ain't giving you your money back, so no refunds.
So that means you better get the money shot. I need a few money shots, okay? I need pictures to post throwbacks every year.
We got this. We got this.
Alright.
Buckle. Your seatbelt must remain fastened for the entire duration of the flight. Should your seatbelt come undone while in the air, remain calm and stay in your seat. Locate and reconnect both ends of your seatbelt to rebuckle as safely as possible.
I have to tie my hair up. You see y'all harnessed up?
Harnessed up? Where's your camera?
Well, I'm holding the camera.
Well, the other camera.
And this is my phone.
Damn.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be filming double time, taking pictures. I really want a picture of my feet. You guys, you see my shoes? We zoom in on the petty. It doesn't want to zoom, so I'll have to zoom in the edit. Look. Okay. Yeah. We're ready. Are we gonna be able to take these off?
Huh?
Are we gonna be able to take these off?
I damn sure hope so.
I hope so. I'm gonna at least put it down. I'll put it down here.
Yeah, just be like, you know, go roll. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'll put it down.
Yeah, because it's gonna mess up your lipstick too. Right?
No, I got on matte. It's not gonna rub off.
Oh, you got the good stuff.
I got the good stuff. I don't do the cheap lipsticks, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Now we're going to be coming up to the staging area up here to see the cones. I'd say we got some helicopters coming back, but I'd say about 8-10 minutes. You get the pilots will come to that gate right there. They'll call your name off of the manifest. You'll walk out with your pilot, and there's blue striped lines out there, the safety lines. So you want to stay in those because you have gas trucks, golf carts, and of course helicopters out here, and for everybody's safety.
My ears are a little clogged, but that was amazing.
It was dope.
That was so cool. I was scared as hell.
The scariest part was actually just going up, and then when he spun around over the East River, just when all you saw was water, that was scary.
Honestly, for me, the scariest part was just when I felt like the winds were like really strong.
Yeah. The wind gusts came and then they went.
Yeah, but like when I feel like maybe it was when like also when the helicopter was turning, it was kind of like that, like side to side a little bit. That I felt like I felt like my my organs lift.
Yeah.
I hate that feeling.
Yeah, it was great. Definitely recommend it to do.
Yeah.
At least once.
Yeah, that was really
and skydiving. You got to skydive.
I will not do that.
That's awesome.
Absolutely not.
That's the next thing. That's the next thing we're gonna do.
That's out of the question. I'm not doing that. Absolutely not. But that was dope. That was dope.
The scary part for me is like when he was leaving. I was just like, and then when he spun around like near the East River, it was just like, whoa, you saw water.
He was like, not sure if that's
Hey guys, I conquered my fear of heights. So now I don't have to go anywhere high again because I did it. It's been done. I even said I should fly a plane with him or something. What do you say?
I asked. She's telling the photographer. Yeah, she's
right though.
So I said to her, I said, well, Keisha, I'm like, if we flew in a helicopter, I'm kind of like a little bit of a pilot.
I've seen you fly planes before.
Right. So I said to her, I said, since we were in the helicopter, how about we do for our next thing, fly a plane?
As in you fly it?
No, you fly. We can go out, get the...
Would I need like a certification or something?
No, we just fly with an instructor, and you can fly the plane.
So what I really be doing is like pushing the lever up and down or whatever?
You'll be giving some throttle, you'll probably do some slight maneuvering.
I don't think I want that responsibility. I don't.
You only live once, right?
Exactly, and I want to live nice and long.
You'll be fine. They wouldn't do it if it wasn't safe. It's actually safer. It's safer flying than it is driving.
It's safer flying than it is driving?
Yes.
Well, I mean, okay, yes. That makes sense.
Yes.
When you consider like how many car accidents happen every day.
Yep. You'll be alright. Trust me.
But it's not, but the thing is, when it comes to fear is not always logical. It's not logical,
Yeah, but how's the saying go? You only live once?
You said that already, yes?
Yeah. So,
And I said I want to live nice and long.
next episode, Keisha flying the Cessna.
That's not happening,
the
guys.
Cessna, the Lear. We want the Lear.
That's not happening, guys.
Alright, we'll see. Until next time.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.